Guy's definitely injured. There's not much I can really do with him, unfortunately. Well, I fucking came down this thing, and I feel like this is not quite the lookout that they're talking about. I'm gonna go down there. Holy shit, I think I finally found the root of the problem. Traversing a giant river to get to my destination. Oh, wow. I might have come here at low tide. Wait a minute here. Maybe it's not low tide. I hear something. Woo! Holy shit. Wow. Pretty damn cool. Look how far down there it goes. Wow.